Merry Christmas, baby.
December. Isn't that the time when we're supposed to feel most joyful? Feel the magic, the Christmas atmosphere at every moment of our lives? To tell you the truth, I haven't felt particularly festive this December. Sometimes this time of year can turn into the most stressful, overwhelming, burdensome time, both mentally and financially. Which is why this time I decided to truly get some rest and meet the end of the year by focusing on me, my health, mental and physical, as a priority. If you're feeling overwhelmed at this moment, I just want to let you know that you are enough and you are doing well. I am a hopeless romantic at heart, easily swooned by magical stories and beautiful things. As such, I get affected by stories that come up in my head, whether positive or negative. Unfortunately, that means that all less than pleasant feelings and situations, I feel them quite deeply. If I'm honest, I am a bit of a pessimist a lot of times. But I also get affected deeply by goodness, by magic, by little insignificant moments which I try to introduce into my life more frequently, in hopes of overshadowing the negative ones. Feelings, especially bad ones, are difficult to navigate through. There is such a fine line between suppressing feelings and letting them overwhelm you so much. Healthy reactions to strenuous situations are hard to achieve, especially this time of year when all we try to do is be perfect for ourselves, our families, our friends. And this perfection can simply take away from our energy and bit by bit drain our strength. So, in a way, allowing yourself to be imperfect is a type of self-care in itself. I like to sit with myself, even if just for a minute in the morning or in the evening, listening to my thoughts and recognizing the emotions that are filling me up at that moment. Understanding what drives them and where they might have surfaced from. When you're feeling overwhelmed, it's quite easy to start projecting negativity onto your life, but you know that it's all quite likely untrue. Scenarios that have been created by a weakened mind. And all that means is that right now your mind needs some sustenance. In the form of a quiet minute, or unfiltered, honest journaling, or in any activity that brings you peace. For me, that's baking, for example. I decided to add just a little bit of magic by baking this Yule log for Christmas. It turned out imperfect, but the way it looked so whimsical and magical made me feel a little bit better about myself. I just want this to serve you as a reminder this Christmas or this new year, whether you're joining in on the festivities or not, whether you're eager to meet the year's end or are nervous about it, whether you're alone or surrounded with people. Find time to take care of yourself this winter.